Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix your payment method was declined, updated or add a new payment method and try again. So if you try to add a new payment method and after that you see this kind of error on your iPhone while adding the payment method, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings, you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version on your of iOS on your iPhone. So here you can simply make sure that, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app, your iPhone, and after that you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here. So here you have to simply click on media and purchases, and after that you have to simply click on view account. So in view account, you have to simply wait for some time so that a new kind of interface is available in which you can simply manage payments. So here you have to simply click on manage payments, and after that you have to simply try to remove that payment which was declined, and you will be able to add a new payment method. And if the problem is still there, then you can simply try it again and again until it works for you. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem and you have to simply contact the Apple support, and they will tell you how you can fix the problem. If the problem is still there, then you can also discuss it in Apple discussion, and they will tell you how they fix that error, and you can simply get the solution from the Apple discussion. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.